In today's video, we'll walk you through the new and improved method for stopping business messages on Viber and Update that changes how you manage your inbox. If you're tired of receiving unsolicited business messages, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your Viber app and navigate to your business inbox. You'll see a list of messages from various companies, service providers, and product sellers. Choose one of the business chats to begin. Now, here's the key update. Instead of the previous method, which was available in the settings menu, you'll notice that the three dots in the top right corner no longer offer the same options. Instead, tap on the profile icon next to the business name. This will bring you to a detailed view with extra options. Look for the toggle labeled Receive Messages. Simply switch this off, and you'll stop receiving messages from this particular business profile. It's that easy. Keep in mind, this action needs to be repeated for each business conversation individually. While there used to be an option to block all business profiles at once, the new update requires you to handle each one separately. In case you encounter a business profile with a slightly different setup, just tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Chat Info. From there, you can follow the same steps to turn off notifications. I hope this video helps you regain control over your inbox and keep it free from unwanted messages. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful guides and updates.